In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to embed Acuity scheduling into your WordPress site, making booking easy for your visitors, whether you run a small business, manage events, or offer appointment-based services. Having a seamless booking process on your website can significantly enhance your user experience and make it easier to manage appointments. Let's dive right into the process and see how you can do this with ease. To begin, you'll first want to navigate to the Acuity scheduling website. If you already have an account, go ahead and log in using your credentials. If your account is linked to your Google account, you can choose to log in with Google for a quicker one-click process. Once you're logged in, the next step is to find your way to your scheduling page. This is where you can manage your appointments, calendar settings, and more. You'll be looking specifically for options related to appointment setup or calendars. Here, you'll find an option labeled Embed Other. Clicking on this will allow you to generate an embed code. This code is crucial as it will allow Acuity scheduling to appear seamlessly on your WordPress site. Once the code is generated, click Copy to copy the embed code to your clipboard. Now you'll need to switch over to your WordPress dashboard. Look for the page or post where you want the scheduler to appear. This could be your home page, a dedicated booking page, or wherever you feel it would be most accessible for your users. Open that page in either HTML or text view. This step is essential as it allows you to paste the embed code into the correct place in your page's code. Once you've decided on the exact spot where you'd like the scheduler to show up, simply paste the embed code from Acuity scheduling right there. Before you publish any changes, it's always a good practice to preview the page. By doing this, you can ensure that the scheduler looks just as you'd like and functions correctly without any hitches. This will save you from potential embarrassment or functional issues when your site visitors try to book an appointment. And that's it. You've successfully embedded Acuity scheduling into your WordPress site, making it easy for your visitors to book appointments with just a few clicks. Thank you for watching. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, please remember to like the video, subscribe to our channel, and hit the bell icon to stay updated with more tutorials like this one. Looking forward to sharing more insights with you next time. Take care and see you soon.